Heavy hitter here once again for WallStreetFatCats. Today is January the 7th, 2010, Thursday. Um, I did 4 trades total today. Made $1,100 total profit today. Um, Today all in all was pretty good, better than yesterday, so I was happy about that. Alright, first trade that I did 3 trades on POT Potash Corp, and then 1 trade on Amazon. Um, okay, first trade on pot was at a 1031. This green candle, I'm sorry, this red candle right here. I went in short at 123.70. I saw this wick forming on this candle. Make that a little bigger for you guys. I made this wick. I saw this wick on this candle, and I figured that I was gonna go short, so I went short on this one. It worked out a little bit, and then after that it just popped up. It just kept going. I didn't want to let it go, but I ended up putting my stop for a 50-cent stop loss, and I ended up getting taken out 3 minutes later at 10:34, which is this green candle right here. I got stopped out at 124.20, so minus 50 cents on that one. 1,000 shares, $500. So the first trade was a loser. I was pretty I was pretty upset on that one because I really usually in the morning I do good, so that one kind of threw me off, but it's okay. I made it back. At 10:38, this red candle right here, I took another short on pot at a 124.72, and at a 10:39, just this one right here, it came down, and then I ended up putting my stop in for 20 cents just to lock in some profits, and then it ended up taking me out when this candle was forming. So 20 cents on that one, not bad, I guess you can say. And next one that I took was at a 10:56. That is the let's see here. That's this red candle right here. On this one, I ended up getting filled at 125.11. Excuse me, 125.11. Um, the reason I took it is right. I saw this wick forming here, so I decided to take that one. As you can see on this one, it really didn't form on this green one. It formed on the red one, and on this line right here, it got some resistance. So this was pretty good. And then once it broke out, I saw it really didn't have that much strength, and it looked kind of toppy to me. So I ended up taking that I ended up taking the short right here once it popped up right here. So this one was good. Um, this one I held on to it for a while. I held on to this one. I didn't want to put a stop. I figured if I get stopped out, it would be above the high, which was this on the wick right here. Um, so I rode this one all the way down to like 1123, which is this green candle right here, and I ended up getting stopped out for a point. Once it came down right here, I saw that it was coming down more, so I just quickly put my stop in just to lock in some profits, and I ended up popping back up, and it took me out. So that one was pretty good. I made a point on that one. I made back for the loser one that I had. Um, so I ended up making $700 on pot on those 3 trades total, and then for Amazon, for Amazon I just did 1 trade. It was at 11:02. Let's see. This one right here. On this line right here, I was finding support, found support here, and then found support here, and also too, in the morning I just touched it, and also tried to do it again, but it didn't get it. So this one was pretty good all day. Well, so far when I got it right here. So I'm then putting my long at 130. Um, and I ended up writing it. I got 40 cents on this one at 11:09. On this green candle right here, I put my stop in. It went up and then came back and took me out because I saw once it broke this, I just wanted to make sure it doesn't it didn't do what it did here, but like in a shorter term. So that was pretty good. I ended up getting 40 cents. So all day today, I made a total profit of $1,100. So not bad for a day's work, I guess. And that was that was that was the last trade that I did all day. Other than that, I just ended up taking the rest of the day off and just started watching some TV, looked at some stocks, and then ran some errands. And I came back. I tried to do an Apollo trade, but by the time I got back here, it was already all the steam had already left it. So, oh well. Also, too, guys, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. I always put on my live post right here where I got stopped out for 50, where I got out for 20, where I took the pot short that gave me a point, my Amazon long, and then where I covered. So, yeah. Alright, guys, this is Heavy Hitter for Wall Street Fat Cats.